The market wisdom. Strictly speaking, US President Donald Trump has dominated global headlines at the very start of 2026, reshaping geopolitical narratives on multiple fronts. 1. Trump has openly challenged the status quo by calling for the removal of Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro. 2. He has floated the controversial idea of acquiring, or even seizing, Greenland from NATO ally Denmark. 3. He has issued firm warnings to strategic rivals, including China and Russia, to curb their influence in the Western Hemisphere. Our call of the day. There is a bright chance that the wavering tone set in first fortnight in January could echo all through the year 2026. The key overhang, blame it on the FII selling as this January 2026, the FIIs have already net sold to the tune of 29,314.90 crores rupees. Bottom line, volatility remains elevated and is set to dominate today's trading session. The possibility of meltdown is quite high. Market trends. The global cues are negative. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of rupees 30 to 63 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of rupees 40 to 34 crores. Sentiments are likely to be neutral for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals suggest massive consolidation. FANO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,000 and 26,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has spiked to 11.83 levels. At last check, USD INR, January, was trading near the 90.96 levels. Nifty PCR, 27th January, is at 0.69 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 27th January, is at 1.00. Nifty outlook. Bullish traders are likely to trade with caution on any excessive intraday strength amidst renewed trade tensions, disappointing heavyweight earnings and sustained foreign outflows. What technicals tells on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 5586. Biggest intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 25,473 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 25,851 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 25450 and 25850. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 83246. Biggest intraday support for Sensex is now placed only at 82,861 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 84,300 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 82,700 and 83700. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 59891. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 59,405 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 60,437 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 59,300 and 60300. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. Volatility is set to remain the hallmark of today's trading at Dalal Street. Key trigger. Lingering uncertainty persists as the street also anxiously awaits the U.S. Supreme Court's decision after it deferred its ruling on challenges to President Donald Trump's global tariff policy to Tuesday, 20th January 2026. Amidst this backdrop, the possibility of both a melt-up or a meltdown is quite high. Expect the tug-of-war to continue, with Nifty bulls making a sizable comeback only on any close above Nifty to 5851 mark. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Bharat Heavy Electricals, minus 0.98%, 263 rupees. Bharat Heavy Electricals, BHEL, slipped even after the company's consolidated net profit surged 189.82% to 403.42 crore rupees in Q3 FY26, compared with 134.70 crore rupees in Q3 FY25. Revenue from operations rose 16.43% year-on-year to 8,473.10 crore rupees in the quarter ended 31st December 2025. 2. Shares of Hindustan Zinc was in the limelight after silver scaled a new record high after US President Donald Trump threatened to impose new tariffs on 8 European nations in a bid to gain control of Greenland, boosting demand for safe haven assets. Here are Q3 FY26 corporate earnings to trickle in today and tomorrow. Tuesday, 20th January. India Mart Intermesh. ITC Hotels. Our Small Finance Bank. Prime Focus. SRF. Persistent Systems. United Spirits. Wednesday, 21st January. Gravita. Dalmia Bharat. BOI. HPCL. DR Reddy's Lab. PNB Housing Finance. OFSS.